Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a remote work strategy with Zoom easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a remote work strategy with Zoom, begin by assessing your team's needs. Identify the primary objectives for your remote work setup. Consider the tasks that require collaboration versus those that can be done individually. Next, establish clear communication guidelines. Decide how often teams should meet and the types of meetings needed. Ensure everyone understands the purpose of each meeting format, whether it's a brainstorming session or a status update. Create a schedule that accommodates all team members, taking into account different time zones if necessary. Now, set up your Zoom account. Log into your Zoom account or create one if you don't have it yet. Familiarize yourself with the various features available on Zoom, such as screen sharing, breakout rooms, and recording options. Create recurring meeting links for regular team check-ins to foster continuity. Next, discuss best practices for video calls with your team. Encourage the use of webcams to enhance engagement and connection. Set guidelines for backgrounds and distractions to keep meetings professional. It's essential to encourage active participation during meetings. Use techniques like asking open-ended questions or assigning roles to boost involvement. After each meeting, solicit feedback on the meeting's effectiveness. Make adjustments based on your team's suggestions and experiences. Draft a remote work policy that incorporates these guidelines. Share this policy with your team and address any questions they may have. Collaborate on techniques for work-life balance to reduce burnout. Implement regular check-ins to gauge team morale and productivity. Consider using Zoom's integration with project management tools to streamline workflow. Finally, review and revise your remote work strategy periodically. Stay informed about new Zoom features and remote work trends to keep your strategy effective. By following these steps, you can create a robust remote work strategy that leverages Zoom effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.